What's going on, guys? So today we have a belt tensioner replacement. I replaced a belt tensioner on my 2007 Ford F-150 4.2L. The tools that you need is a ratchet, a T50 Torx bit socket, a something for leverage like a metal tube where you can put your ratchet so that you have more leverage, because it can be hard to um, like get off. And also you need a torque wrench, which it has a spec of 18 foot-pounds. So yeah, if you have it, good. If not, well, then you can just adjust it however you like, how much you like. But yeah, it's optional. So yeah, hopefully you guys like the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and hopefully this video helps you. And the belt tensioner, it's right there. It's like on the bottom of the alternator. The T45 is gonna go right there. So we're gonna put it in right there and try to get it loose. It's gonna be very tight since it's a tensioner, but just try to do a lot of force and hopefully it comes out. Okay, so the belt tensioner is actually a T50, and it was very tight, so we use this metal tube and we put it on the ratchet, and then I have my wife like do the counterclockwise with the tube, and I just was holding it in place. So yeah, once you hear the pop, then you're good to start doing it without the tube. Get the tube. So now that it's loose, you can see that it's coming off real good. You might think it's a T45 because of the size. It's pretty like similar, but then I saw another video that it said it was a T50, and I tried it at first just with my hand, but it would slip, so that made me think that it was a T45. The T45 will go more deep, but so use a T45, and hopefully you can do it with just your hands. If not, you're gonna have to get a tube or something for leverage and take it off. So this should come out. Now that it's kind of loose, well, it's actually not that loose. Continue to take out the bolt. And there it is. So just pull it out, make some space right here, and that's how the tensioner looks. And take off the bolt, because you're gonna have to use it for your new tension. So yeah, that's how you take out a belt tensioner. On the back of the bolt, it has a little rubber band that doesn't let it go or fall off just like that. So just make sure, like, if it's not getting out, it's because of this little rubber right here. So you take off the rubber and it should come out like this. And there it is. Remember, use a T. Where is it? Use a T50. Okay, so here we have the new belt tensioner. And here's the old one. We compare them, and they're exactly the same. So now we're ready to put it in our car, and it's gonna be the same procedure, just, you know, reverse. Okay, so here is our bolt. Remember, we're gonna use a T50, and we're gonna put it like this. And remember that the little rubber that you got from the old belt tensioner, you gotta put it over here in the back. So just try to put it as much as you can. I can't with two hands. I need two hands, but yeah, just put it back as much as you can. Alright, so now from the top we see where the tensioner goes. It's right there, and it has two tabs where, like, guides, which are these two, 1 and 2, and we're gonna line them up, and that's how you know that you put the tensioner right. Okay, so I lined it up. So you guys can see it's lined up, and I'm screwing in the bolt little by little with my hands. Once it touches the belt tensioner, you're ready to torque to spec, which is 18 foot-pounds. Okay, so I think it's ready. Okay guys, so my torque wrench doesn't fit my T50 that I have here, so I'm just gonna, you know, try to put it as tight as I can. You know, just, but if you have a torque wrench, put it to 18 foot-pounds, and, you know, just use it like that. But yes, I'm just gonna tight as much as I can, and you know, just leave it like that. If I see that the belt is like wobbly or something, then I'm gonna have to get a torque wrench with what is this, a 3/8? Yeah. Okay, so I use my metal tube to, you know, get more leverage, and I did like half a turn more. So I think this is pretty tight, so you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see there, but it's like, it's very tight, I think. So for now I'm gonna just leave it like that, and if I see that there's any movement, then I'll have to tighten it more. But for now, that's how you change a belt tensioner. And the next step that I have here, since I took out my alternator, I'm gonna have to put back my alternator, and then I'll have to put the belt. So that's gonna be the next step. If you guys have your alternator, then the next step will be to put back the belt, and I'll show a diagram on the screen right now, and that's how it's supposed to go.